Okay, I got a new iPhone 14, so I had to get a new case. So I got one of these Otterbox 14 cases. It's a Defender, and it's got multiple layers of protection. First, you take the black piece off on the bottom with the clip that you put on your belt. Then you got to pull off the blue part on my case anyway. I have a teal and a blue, and you got to pull that piece off. Basically, just peel it back. I'll try to keep it in the camera here. So you peel the rubber off the plastic. So you got two pieces now. Now there's a third piece here, and you have to turn around and you'll see little arrows pointing in this case 5 different locations. Here, 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 and here. And where that is, there's a little tab that you can pull, and that'll allow you to remove it from the rest of the, split it in half. As you can see, it splits in half. So you just keep pulling those tabs. The arrows come in real handy on here. You just keep pulling them until you get them all off. Now you got 2 more pieces. So then you put your phone in, and then you put the piece back on, the ridge piece, that you just push it back on like this. Just snap it back in. So this is pretty nice because it's got more than one way to protect your phone. So you can see the phone in there. And I got all my tabs snapped together. That wasn't very hard. Now there's no instructions for this. So it's kind of interesting they don't give you instructions. So now you can see that the phone's in there nice and secure. And now I got to put the phone back into the rubber material. You can see, snap it together. Just snapping it pretty much back in place. This is a nice case. I like that it has all the different layers. The more layers, I think, the better, but you can see the case is nicely secured. I'm not a real fan of the color, but I got this for, I think, $24 on Amazon, and I'll leave a link in the description for that. And that's it, right there. Took only about a couple of minutes. So this is how I install an Otterbox Defender on my iPhone 14.